G'day guys, it's Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie in Skibbereen, West Cork. Okay, today we're going to do some tomato and basil bread. I hope you enjoy, so stay tuned in. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, there's a link below that will take you to my website and you'll be able to download the recipe. See you at the end of this. Thanks guys. hope you enjoyed that. Really tasty bread there. Just a few pointers there. Make sure you buy strong flour, okay? There's a reason why we have different flours for different purposes, but strong flour is for making bread. The recipe there, you can put any other ingredient into it and it'll make the same thing. Just stick to the recipe and you'll have a fantastic bread for an antipasto, your pastas, or just to make a sandwich, but you've made it yourself. So see you soon, subscribe, and remember the recipe is in my website to download. Thanks guys, enjoy yourself, talk to you soon.